We are so glad that class 10 students also have joined us today. So all the very best to all of you. So as I said, this is just the beginning of festivity and it will continue next week also. So we will have our other classes who would be participating. So all the very best to all of you. So let's start the program now. Thank you.
Winter is not a festival. It is a celebration. Winter season brings in many multicolored festivals celebrated all across India. And the most popular one, without any doubt, is Christmas.
You are right, Jappy. Christmas isn't about candy canes or Santa or lights. It's all about the hearts that we touch and the care that we show.
Respected Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends, I, Jagdeep,
And I, Drishti,
extend a warm welcome to all of you on the behalf of the English Department. We both feel privileged to announce the start of the Winter Festival
Fun with English
in Smart Wonder School to celebrate the joy of sharing. The senior wing comprising of classes 6 to 10 are participating in this festival. We are feeling proud to announce that all students, whether they have opted for online or offline mode, are participating in this festival with great enthusiasm.
Let me quickly take you to a roller coaster ride with name Fun with English. Are you all excited? Yes. Great. So we are. Students of class 6 will present their show called Crazy Hats, dedicating this day to their buddies. Students of class 7 will present their regional recipes, participate in the show called My Recipe Book on 24th December.
Students of class 8 will play an outdoor treasure hunt game, finding all hidden clues and treasures set up by their educators on 21st and 22nd December.
Students of grade 9 and 10 will decorate and conclude the festival with their Christmas carols, poems, stories and posters on 22nd December.
Drishti, I'm very excited to be a part of this festival. Let's start the excitement with Fun with English. Because of you, I laugh a little harder, cry a little less, smile a lot more. Guess who I am? Yes, I am your buddy. Now students of class 6 will celebrate their adorable bond with their buddies through Crazy Hat Show. Let's enjoy.
I would like to invite Drishita of class 6A to come up with her performance.
Teachers and friends. I, Rishita Bhagwat from class 6A, have made the hats for my friend Vanchika. The title I have given you, my friend, is Flexible Vanchika. She is a dedicated and responsible student. I met her for the first time in 4th grade. She is gentle and calm. Has always encouraged me in my participation of sub-enrichment activities and class discussions. I got to know her talent in a class assembly, which is all about dancing. Thus, she made her assembly as shining stars. She dances like a peacock in rain, which turns to be a meticulous moment for all of us watching her. Once I was playing badminton with her, I had given up completely. And you would be thinking that she would be making fun of me. And if you think like that, you would be wrong. She told me to work on my badminton skills and practice as much possible. So now I would like to recite a poem. So let's picture. She likes to dance all over the world to be expanse. Like the peacock gives the grace, she would dance in front of your face. She may stretch and stretch like been shown in a sketch. She may give her best, which may give you peace and rest. Thank you.
Well done, dear. Keep up the good work. Now we have Rakshan from class 6A for his performance.
Good morning to my dear Vice Principal Ma'am and my dear friends. I, Rakshan of class 6A, would like to present on my crazy hat. This is my crazy hat. I dedicated this to my friend Arav. He's 11 years old. He's good at sports. We started our friendship as enemies, and that was when we were 9. He is a little bit crybaby, but still he's a good friend. He dislikes violence and his likes are cricket and studies. I learned many cricket tricks and some crafts from him. I would like to recite a poem for him. Funny like swan, but angry as a honking van. Good at studies, but eats like a bunny. Tall and good at sports, but always asks for more. But still he's a crybaby. He doesn't drive anyone crazy. Thank you. Proudly presenting Riddhi of Class 6A for her performance.
Good morning, respected Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, this is my crazy hand, and I dedicate this to my friend Ernest. I gave the title to my friend Ernest, like Miss Talkative. She is Miss Talkative. She likes to talk and is really good at communication. We will all have fun to communicate with her. So, I have prepared a poem for her. You are crazy like a bunny and you are horribly funny. Oh, what fun it is to be with you. And I love to be with you. Thank you.
Amazing, Riddhi.
The next participant is Arav from Class 6A.
Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I am going to present my crazy hat for my friend Rakshan. Rakshan is a very good artist and he is a fond of anime. He makes very good anime characters and his favorite anime is Naruto. He taught me many kinds of art and helped me in studies. I hope he gets a nice career in art. Thank you.
Wonderful, Arav.
Now I would like to invite the next participant, Divyansh of Class 6A for his performance.
Good morning to my respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I am Divya Sharma of Class 6A. Today, I am going to present a poem and a short speech on my best friend Shaurya.
Is Shaurya present here?
No, ma'am. He's
Okay.
on.
He's online?
Yes.
Okay, he's dedicating it to his online friend Shaurya. Okay, go ahead, yes.
And both this hand and my poem is dedicated on that friend only. Shaurya is a very quiet person and he's the best basketball player in the school. And I am sure no one can defeat him in 1v1. Shaurya is so I have prepared a small poem for him. No other friend is quite like you. No other friend could exactly what you can do. A friend is not someone who hangs out with you. A friend is someone who cares about you, who tells you the truth, who came up with good ideas and motivate you. Sometimes it's hard to write the words that you, my dear, should say, or say the things that you need to hear, or as the I should be. My dear friend, you have made me see that God has a special plan for me. Thank you, and God may live a friend for a long life.
Well done, Divyansh. Keep up the good work. Now, we have Vanya from Class 6A for her performance.
A very good morning to one and all. A very good morning to one and all present. Ma'am,
It's okay, you can you can hold it in your hand also, yes. Even this way also, yeah. This way.
a very good morning to
Is
one and all
Manisha present
present.
here?
No, ma'am.
Manisha is not here, she's online. No worry, she has already joined us. Yes, go ahead.
This hat is dedicated to my friend Manisha. I have given her the title of Miss Studious because she's a studious person. She loves to study. She accomplishes all her work on time and influences every instructor by performing so.
She adores the purple color, so I have made a purple hat for her. I have also wrote an acrostic poetry on her. V for victorious, A for ample, G for glorious, I for independent, S for studious, H for happy, A for ambitious. I'm really happy to have such a good companion like Vagisha. Thank you.
Well done, Vanya.
Now I would like to invite Tamanna for her performance.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Tamanna from class 6A, and today in the activity of Crazy Hat, I have made a hat for my friend Vardhanara, and I have given him the title of As Calm as a Mill Pond. So let's hear the short speech in form of a poem. Being calm is like a lucky charm. I know a person who has it in his palm. He is Vardhanara. He is calm and wise, always speaks polite, hence thinks right. Pizza, burger and noodles make him feel like asking riddles. So, having patience is like a lucky charm and can help you become a noble person in advance. So, in the end I want to say that having patience is the greatest quality and we all should follow it, because if we have it, we can take correct decisions at important times. Thank you.
The next participant is Vardhan from class 6A.
Good morning, respected Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my fellow friends. This is my crazy hat. This crazy hat is being dedicated to my friend Tamanna. Tamanna is an encouraging girl, and thus the title as encouraging as a book suits her. She has encouraged me in many ways, and I would like to narrate a story when she encouraged me. In class 4, I got scolded for a bit reason, and I got upset. But she came up, motivated and encouraged me, which gave me a life lesson that if we encourage and motivate others, we will never get demotivated. And this is how the bond of our friendship became much more stronger. Thank you.
Proudly presenting Anvi of class 6A for her performance.
Good morning to all present here. I am Anvi Nandra from class 6A and this is my crazy hat. This hat is dedicated to my best friend Swastika. Swastika is my friend and classmate who is very kind. She is always ready to help everyone around her. Along with being an amazing friend, she is caring and generous too. She likes to cheer everyone up. Her hobby is to make art. She likes drawing, painting and coloring. She likes drawing, painting and coloring and is very creative. Her favorite color is pink. Swastika is the best friend I have ever had and I am lucky to have her as my friend. This is the poem that I composed for her. Best friends stick together till the end. They are like a straight line that will not bend. Being friends with you, Swastika, is not a passing trend and I promise our friendship will never come to an end. You are my best friend forever. Thank you.
Mask up, beta. Good. Mask up. Up means up.
It's buddy time, and nothing is more wonderful than dedicating something to our buddies in the month of December. Drishti, do you know the shortest, oldest, and the most commonly used word in English is I? Also, every 2 hours, a new word is added to the English dictionary.
Oh really? That's interesting. Yesterday my mother told me that 80% of the knowledge on computers is in English, and English is the national language of 67 countries.
Great, it's buddy time, and it's class B's turn.
Now Now I would like to invite the next participant, Anika of Class 6B to present.
Good morning everyone. I am Anika Arora from class 6B and today I will be dedicating this crazy hat to my buddy Aditi. This is a crazy hat of my crazy buddy Aditi. Harry Potter in her mind, Avengers in her heart, Wanda and Shang-Chi are also not apart. Smart Wonders is her Hogwarts where she learns and recites. Lavender and Golden also never goes off her sight. She is my Bravo mother and
Well done, Anika.
Now we have Aditi from class 6B for her performance.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I, Aditi, have made a crazy hat for my crazy buddy Anika. To explain her interest, I have made a poem that is, I want you to be happy because you deserve it. I want you to be happy because it makes me happy to see you the way you were meant to be. You never let music stay apart from you. Oh, what should I say? Your poems are fantastic too. Not a K-pop song that you haven't heard and you're playing too. Sushi is a dish that touches your heart and you and your best friend are never apart. You are the one that burdens in my heart. Oh, Anika, you have the best heart. Thank you.
Well done, Aditi.
Now we have Jitanshu of class 6B to present his performance. Good morning everyone present here. My name is Jitanshu Arora from class 6B and I made this hat for my buddy Shabad B. And I will also tell a short story about him. One day my best friend Shabad V was searching for oranges in summer season, but he couldn't find in that time of the year. So he was so sad, and then I couldn't handle the sadness of my friend Shabad V. So I went to Doraemon, and but as always he was talking with Mii-chan and Nobita was talking to Shizuka. Then I waited for them for 3 hours. Then after they came, I screamed at them and they finally took me to the back. Then in the way, Nobita was singing a song. मैं किसी का सपना हूँ जो आज करूँ सच. अब ये मेरा सपना है कि सबके सपने सच मैं करूँ. आसमां को छू लो, तितली बन उड़ो, हेलीकॉप्टर. अब मैं हूँ एक प्यारा सा रोबोट, Doraemon. It doesn't even know the lyrics. And finally we arrived to the year 2020. There was lockdown everywhere. And I took the opportunity of time and filled my bag with oranges and went back to our place and had a share of it. Now my buddy Shabadvi was so happy, but his mother was so shocked. I hope my buddy Shabadvi likes it. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Jessica from class 6B and today I am going to present my crazy hat and lines I made for my good friend Bhavya Mahajan. Few years ago, I met Bhavya when she recently joined a school and I helped her when she needed assistance with the school subjects and the work. We also used to sit together and discuss our interests. So that's when I observed she's a loyal and creative girl who's a sports enthusiast but wants to be a doctor. She also likes art and craft and her favorite colors are pink and yellow. So keeping all those things in mind, I made this hat for her. I gave her the title of Bhavya the Multitasker. Thank you.
Well done, Jessica. Now I would like to invite Ananya of class 6B to present her performance.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ananya Sharma and I'm from class 6B. Are you wondering what is this crazy thing on my head? This hat is a symbol of friendship for my buddy Avi. Her strength is fashion and look at the biggest design of fashion here. You can see what is there in all this pink and golden here. She
to be a fashion designer. So, fashion is Azim's passion. I dedicate this hat to you, Azim. I hope you like it. Thank you.
The next participant is Rija from class 6B.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Akita Gatilpa from class 6B. And today, I would like to present some 9.5 for my buddy. Her name is Anvesha. She's a cute, fun, and little girl. She's very thoughtful and helpful too. She has multiple talents. She's really good at football and amazing at reading. She's a lovely dancer and a very good friend. Thank you, Anvesha, for being such a good friend and a great buddy. Thank you.
Now we have P.S. Ashera from class 6B.
Good morning everyone. I am Priya Sashi from class 6B. Today I am dedicating a poem for my buddy. My buddy's name is Purnima. She gives me a feeling of a mom and pop. She's true treasure and gives in my heart. The bond is so strong it will never depart. But like her is hard to find, one that touches you deep inside. Her favorite hobby is dance. To help me, she never misses a chance. She gave me strength to carry on. She offered her hand to hold down. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Shabbat Veer of class 6B for his performance.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Subodri from class 6B. I am narrating a short story for my buddy Jitanshu. On a hot sunny day, my buddy Jitanshu was getting very bored. Suddenly he got very thirsty and went to the kitchen to drink some water. After drinking some water, he thought that he was getting bored, so he started playing games on his mobile. But his mobile battery got finished, so he started finding for his charger. But he didn't find it and started crying. I went to him and asked, "Why are you crying?" He said, "I wanted to play games." So I thought. I got an idea that I can make a crazy hat for him with all the latest gadgets. Now he can play anytime, anywhere. 5,000 years later, I made a crazy hat for him with all the latest gadgets. Now he can play anytime, anywhere. I gifted him as a surprise. Hope he likes it. Wish you a great day, Gitanchu. Bless you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm from class 6B. So this is a hat for my buddy Chitri. She likes to solve riddles, so I am going to ask her a few. I'll give chance to only maximum 2 people. Please raise your hand to answer. Are you ready to solve few tough riddles? All the best. So the first riddle is, I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but still I come alive with the wind. What am I? Cloud. No, you are wrong.
Leaves.
Yes, you are right. So the next riddle is, I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? Map. Yes, you are right. So the third and last riddle is, what comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years?
M.
Yes, you are right. Thank you.
Next participant coming up is Bhavya of class 6B.
Good morning, my dear teachers and friends. My name is Bhavya Mahajan from class 6. Wait a second. Why are you all surprised to see me? Oh, you are looking at my crazy hat, isn't it? This I made for my buddy Jessica. Did I tell you the incident behind it? No? Let me share it with you. This incident occurred 2 years back when I was new to the school. The environment was totally new to me. There were a lot of things going up in my mind. When I entered the class, the each other. As I was late admission, there was a lot of pending work to be done. So Jessica offered me her notebook herself to complete my work. This gesture of her made us good friends. Things were going well. I was busy in my work. One day, I realized that I forgot my tiffin at home. I was really worried. At the same time, Jessica shared her lunch with me. So I came to know I have a kind, caring, and helpful friend who's always there with me. So in return, I made this hat for my buddy Jessica. Let me share one more incident with you. Oh, I'm getting late. I have to give this hat to the owner of this hat. Bye.
Amazing, Bhavya. Now we have Amal from class 6B.
Good morning everyone. My name is Harman from class 6B and this is my crazy hat for my buddy Priya. He's a big fan of anime and he is also fond of riddles. So here I am. Riddles. First, please raise a hand if you know the answer and I will give two chances to shoot. So let's get started. First riddle. What has a bag but no money?
Once again, repeat it with
A river.
Once again, you repeat your riddle with
What has a bag but no money? River.
They have answered.
Okay, you are correct. Very good.
Very good. Clap for yourself.
What has teeth but cannot eat? Palm. Oh, very good. You're correct. What has a lock? What has a key but not a lock?
Keyboard.
Very good. This hat and this riddle are dedicated to my buddy Priyansh. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Gladly presenting Arveen of class 6B for her performance.
Is your friend here only? Yes. You're dedicating it? Okay, let her.
Hello everyone. I'm Azim Kaur from class 6B. Wonder what this silly thing is on my head? I know I look silly in it, but it's a hat for my buddy Ananya. Let me introduce her to you, but in the form of a poem to make things a little interesting. Pink is her color. Her hobby is art and she loves to color. She loves bunny so much. Look, she even made me one. I'm fed up of being a bunny. I'm done. Let's just continue. She loves to travel. Come to cycle with me once, would you? She said in such a brave way. It made me ask her, do you want to serve our country? Yes, in fact, I would be ready to do that any day, she said. That is just great. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now, I would like to ask Tanmeet to come on the stage for her performance.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanu and today I am going to describe my buddy. My best buddy is Anuga and she likes playing K-pop, anime and Roblox. She also loves to dance and loves to smile. She also, and one thing that I forgot, she is crazy. She loves to smile, but one thing, she is not. She has a cute, lovable nature. Thank you. I hope she likes my hat.
Proudly presenting Ashank of class 6B for his performance.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ashank Thakur and this is my hat and I will speak a few lines on it. My buddy for the crazy hat making is Aris and he likes a lot of different and interesting things. We have been in the same class since the 3rd grade and through this project I got to know a lot more about him than I did. Some of his favorite hobbies include karate, and cricket. But one hobby that we both have in common is art and craft. So I decided to make the best of this to make his hat. I have made many different and colorful doodles to make this hat look interesting, attractive, and eye-catching. Another thing we both have in common is that we like the color green. So I made sure that I used plenty of green throughout the hat. I have named this hat Bobby, as the name is as crazy and fun-filled as the hat itself. I hope you guys like it and Aris does as well. Thank you.
Now we have Alvin from class 6.
Japri, since we are celebrating Winter Festival and it's important to share some interesting facts related to Christmas. Christmas trees were first used by ancient Egyptians and Romans. Santa Claus initially wore clothes that were in green, purple or blue.
Jingle Bells was also a Thanksgiving song.
Santa has his own Canadian postal code.
That's very interesting, Dishri. Now it's buddy time, and now it's class C's turn.
Now I would like to invite Bhavik for his performance.
Good morning, one and all present here. I am Bhavel Girl from class 6C and today I am going to present my hat with my buddy. Lots of people want to ride with you in a limo, but what I want someone who will take me the bus when the limo breaks down. So here I present my motorhead buddy, Manvik. He supports me during my hardest time. He motivates me to do even better in my life. He isn't the one who agrees with the decision I make. Instead, he corrects me if something is not right or something might hurt me. Me without you is like a plane that doesn't fly, a year without July, a stream which became dry, a match without fire, a socket without wire, and a car without its tire. A shoes with no laces, sentence with no spaces, and a nerd without his braces. A phone without dial, a face without smile, and a clock without its while. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite Manvik.
Good morning everyone. My name is Manvik Badan and today I am going to present my hat and say a few lines for my buddy. As gold is found up in the mountains, pearls deep in the sea, these things does not mean as much as your friendship means to me. Thank you, Bhavik. I am grateful to have a buddy like you. Thank you.
Thank you, Manvik. Next coming up is Krish of class 6B.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chris Chaudhary. Today, I'm going to dedicate this poem to my buddy Shehbaz. Friends, we are. Forever we will be. Whenever we are right beside me. I hope we stay friends till the end of time. And whatever that is, our friendship will still shine. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. I hope you mean the world to me. I hope the same with you. You're always helping me, and whatever it takes, we will do. So, every one of my friends, you mean the world to me. Friends we are, forever we will be. Thank you, Shehbaz, for being with me at all times. You are my buddy, you are my best friend. I will be grateful to God for giving this precious gift. Thank you.
Now, I would invite Ashita to come up on the stage.
Good morning everyone. I am Ashita from class 8 and I will this hat from my friend Melissa. She is a grown-up friend, like chocolate, pockets and anything to play. And she loves music. And today I dedicate the poem to her. I made this hat for my bestie. She's very cute and very lovely. Her name is Melissa. She likes chocolates and loves pockets. Her voice is sweet like sugar and honey. She likes to play with many things, although she's my best buddy. Thank you.
The next participant is Ignore of class 6C.
Thank you.
everyone, my name is Ignu from Class 6C and this is the hat which I designed for my buddy Elisha. The musical symbols in my hat represent that she likes listening to music. All the colors in my hat represent beautiful landscapes in nature. The color green represents all the greenery in nature. The color blue represents all the water and water bodies in nature. The color orange is used for all the beautiful and lovely flowers. And the color pink represents all the lovely candies that my buddy loves to eat. I dedicate this hat to my best friend Elisha for the care and affection that she shows whenever she is by my side. I hope you like it, Elisha. May God bless you. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite Harmesh.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Meher from Class 6C, will dedicate a poem to my buddy. Oh, what a joy it is to have a friend like you, for giving me strength the way you do, for lifting me up when I'm feeling down and putting a smile on my face when I'm wearing a frown. Thanks for being there and helping me grow. Your friendship means a lot. This I did like you to know. Thank you.
6C.
Good morning everyone and my dear friends. Today I, Sirat from Class 6C, will present a short poem for my best friend Sukhmani. To you, my best friend, the very first time the two of us met, we were caught in a friendship's net. You or I together get so damn well, ever to the fix I would ring your doorbell. As time passed, as we grew closer and closer to the world outside, you gave me a eager exposure. You made me understand what is right and wrong. I have depended on your advice all my life along. I am always thankful for moments we shared. They brought us together like butter and bread. And those crazy things we did together, they turned us into best friends forever. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call Sukhmani for her performance.
Good morning, my respected teachers and dear classmates and everyone present here. Today, I, Sukhmani of Class 6C, am going to be speaking on my buddy Sirat in form of a poem. A story begins with another. For instance, sister and brother. The personality you reflect, I present with sheer respect. The sophisticatedly amplified personality you have. Let's find out about it by having a little chat. Whenever you were in a fix, I sorted it out as if it was my ache. Friendship has always been a necessity, keeping away every calamity. You and me, spreading the forever divine, friendship full of sublime. This life won't end plain, so let's celebrate till it isn't the same. Thank you.
Thank you, Sukhmani. Next coming up, Harsimar.
Good morning, one and all present here. I am Harsimar Singh from Class 60. This is my hat for my buddy. He likes technology and to see funny movies. So I have designed a special kind of robot that can help him to see funny movies. It can also calculate any sum of math. It can also translate any language. And it will be easier for my buddy to communicate with everyone. I hope my buddy Abhinandan likes it. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call Manmeet for his performance.
Good morning, one and all present here. I, Manmeet, want to dedicate a poem for my buddy Sikandar. You are not my buddy for today, not for only yesterday. You remain my buddy forever and in time. I don't think Arjun will have a trustworthy and kind-hearted friend like you. And I hope that we will do many things related to tech in future. And I am grateful that you are my buddy, Sikandar. Thank you.
Wonderful, Manmeet. Now I would like to invite Gursehed of 6C for her performance.
Good morning to everyone. I'm Gusej and I study in Class 6C. I have made a crazy hat for my buddy Ananya and now I'm going to speak a few lines on her. She is kind and hardworking. She likes to read books and her art makes everyone shook. She likes badminton. I like it too. Her favorite pets are cats and mine are dogs. I wonder if they will meet. Will they fight or be like us, always kind to each other? Thank you.
Now, Elisha will show her performance.
A very good morning to everyone. I am Elisha of class 6C. Today I am here to tell some beautiful things about my buddy Aku. Aku is a girl who comes with various skills. With her singing, she kills, she kills. She loves to roam on the beach. With the friends, she gels, having fun and collecting shells. She loves to cook food. She always wants praise for the food she cooks. She always wants praise for the food she cooks. But my dear friend, the credit goes to the recipe books. Whenever she tries her hands on the piano keys, everyone wants to say, stop please, stop please. So I hope, Ignore, you like the hat and the poem. Thank you.
Thank you, Elisha. Now next coming up is Ananya of class 6C.
Good morning, everyone. This is me, Ananya Verma from class 6C, and today I am going to dedicate a self-written poem to my buddy Karman Kaur. There's this little girl, no less than a pearl. Call her kind and caring. What she likes is singing and reading. She likes being involved in magic. Seeing that makes everyone ecstatic. Dragons and unicorns are pretty cool. What fun would it be to have them in a school? She's lost in her own dream world, far away from the actual world. But this is not all. She's very fond of art and crafts. And when it comes to making it, she's eager to start. She's very funny and cute like a bunny. This is all I want to say about my buddy. It's difficult to find a friend like you, and I'm very lucky to have you. Thank you.
It was a pleasure to hear every participant. It's December and it's Christmas time. Let's bring more color to this beautiful show. We have students of class 6 who will recite a poem. It's Christmas time. Please enjoy.
Find peace at a hut, give light at night. They shine so bright. It's Christmas time, it's Christmas time. Stop the fight, make everything right. Give love tonight. It's Christmas time, it's Christmas time. Carols in the distance, laughter everywhere. I can smell Christmas floating in the air. Love, share and care, for it's Christmas time, for it's Christmas time. Love, share and care, for it's Christmas time, for it's Christmas time. Thank you.
Wow, it was a great performance. Now I would like to invite Ms. Rana Chona, Vice Principal of Senior Wing, to share a few words to motivate our participants.
Round of applause for lovely performance by each one of you. So this is Christmas time. Welcome, ma'am. Please come. This is Christmas time, and what a good start to Christmas month. This is a month of sharing and caring, and today all of you were actually showing gratitude towards your friends. We human beings always look for some shortcomings, but today we all made effort to look for beauty around us, and we were showing our gratitude. So big round of applause for each participant who is here. Even I am having a invisible hat today, which I want to present to each one of you. You are all my lovely buddies. You bring smile in school. When you come here, our school also smiles. And you won't believe it that whatever energy that we are having, that is all because of your presence. Because of this corona time, you were not here in school and we miss you a lot. And ever since you have joined us back, you have made your presence felt. And I would like to thank English department, Gurmeet ma'am. As you know that we had been celebrating festivals. It was turn of Hindi festival, then it was Punjabi festival, and today we are celebrating Christmas, and it is just the start today. And I really thank English department, Gurmeet ma'am. Big round of applause for Gurmeet ma'am, and credit to Inderveer ma'am and Anandita ma'am also. She's not with us today. She's taking her classes in the junior wing. So even her class also performed very well. And at the same time, we would like to thank Anamika ma'am also, and good luck to her also, because her program also will be there next week. So everybody, all of you in the English department, you have done a wonderful job. Now these hats will be kept for PTM also, ma'am. We are going to have display also in the rooms. I know that you want to dedicate these hats to your friends, but this handing over ceremony can be done, I think, next week. But now we will be just keeping it for all our friends, all our parents who will be visiting us. So principal ma'am is not here with us today. She has already sent her good wishes for Christmas. And at the same time, once again, Merry Christmas to all of you. We will be joining once again here on 21st, I think. Next program is on 21st now. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gina ma'am, for coming here. Thank you.
I want to extend my thanks to everyone who have been a part of this show. Thank you everyone for being such a wonderful